A.J. O'Connor. I'm the manager of Intelligent Transportation Systems at Trimet in Portland, Oregon. Trimet is the sole provider of mass transit for the Portland metro region. We provide approximately 60 miles of light rail service with about 145 light rail vehicles. We have an extensive bus network, fixed route bus network, 650 fixed route buses. We also provide paratransit service. The Federal Communications Commission gave us an order to narrow band our old 450 UHF system. So we needed to move off of that radio system. At the time we were looking for a P25 system so that we could interop with related agencies. We of course did thorough background checks on and reference checks on all the various proposers, and we found that everybody that had worked with Tait in the past loved them. Init is one of the vendors of CAT AVL or bus dispatch systems. They were who was selected, and Init had put together a team to meet all our specifications. So they selected General Electric to do the radio architecture, Tait to be the radio provider, Avtech to be the radio console provider. We had BDAs or bidirectional amplifiers in our tunnel, and they selected Cobham to provide the BDAs in the tunnel.
My name is Joseph Stein. I'm a light rail controller at Trimet in Portland, Oregon, and I've been in my current position for 16 years. We use radios and a variety of other technical equipment every day to monitor and operate our railroad. The new radio system has some geolocation capabilities that's nice to be able to keep track of where people are, so if they call for help, if they're not able to tell us where they are, we can actually go and see where they are. And that's an important thing, especially when you read about transit employees being victims of various aggressive crimes.
The Tait system is critical to worker safety for several reasons. First, for the bus operator, that communication is critical. There is essentially a silent alarm feature where bus dispatch can listen into the bus if the operator triggers that silent alarm, which allows dispatch to hear what's going on and report whatever's going on to the police. That's one area. The other area that's critical is there's the emergency button on all portables. A portable user can push and it is immediately alerted with flashing red lights and sirens in the dispatch area. So those are kind of the emergency situations. But the Tait radio system is critically important just for the day-to-day safety of our maintenance of way workers, which are the staff that maintains everything but the rail vehicle. So they are walking light rail lines, checking switches, tracks, overhead wire, all while light rail traffic is in the same area. So they need to have reliable, safe communication with rail control at all times so they know where trains are. The transition from an analog system to a digital system has provided Trimet with very clear, crisp communication powered by Tait radios.